Tuesday, AJ here, and welcome back to Animal Jam. I've collected everything except these two. It's because when I ended, I deleted the last video because there was nothing here to get. None of the animals came. I didn't collect those two because they didn't come. But when I ended the video, they were all here. And I was like, what? So the owl sits right there. The woodpecker sits right here. And the crow sits right here. And the poison ivy is down here. And here are the fireflies. Here are the mushrooms. Okay. And the skunk comes out the recycling place. I'm sorry about the lag. Okay. I'm really sorry about the lag. So, where the recycling place is, the skunks will come out. And here is the snail. It's right here. I'm looking for other things which I cannot find. And I won't win anything hardly, and as you can see right there, the skunks are coming out. The squirrel is up here somewhere. I'm pretty sure it's up here somewhere. I just can't find it. I'm really sorry, guys. Oh, there he is. Never mind. Here's the chipmunk. And now I just gotta find this thing. I'm not sure what it is. I thought it was something around the tree. I don't know. Here's the card. I can't press on it because I've already got it. Give me a second. I'm going to see. Oh geez, that's scaring me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Phew. That scared me. But really bad. Okay, back to thinking. There's a woodpecker. Okay. I can't remember so far. I feel like it's this, but it's moss. I pressed it before it didn't let me. Okay, let's see what we got. Treehouse! Oh my god! That is so cool! I didn't know that. Anyways, thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!